Are you tired of wondering where your money disappears to every month? Do you feel like budgeting is just another boring chore? Well, what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? In this video, we'll break down how to create a budget that actually works for you and introduce 5 powerful budgeting methods so you can take control of your money without feeling restricted or frustrated. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. On this channel, we talk about personal finance and we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's dive in. Why does budgeting matter? Budgeting isn't just about cutting costs or tracking receipts. It's about freedom. Freedom to save for what matters, pay off debt, and live without financial anxiety, whether you earn a little or a lot. A solid budget helps you prioritize spending, avoid impulse purchases, reach your savings goals faster. Think of it as giving every dollar or naira a job, so you stay in control. Now, let's look at how to create a budget step by step. Before we explore budgeting methods, here is how to set up a basic budget. First, calculate your income. Include your salary, side hustle or job, passive income, etc. Basically all your income. Then, list your expenses. Put into consideration your fixed expenses and your variable expenses. Your fixed expenses are your rent, subscription, loan payments. These expenses have to be paid every month for your well-being. And variable expenses are groceries, transport, entertainment. You get the point. These expenses vary every month, and it is according to what you have planned for the month. Thirdly, set financial goals like emergency fund, debt payoff, and investments. Then, track everything. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper. After all that is done, you then review monthly. Adjust when your income or expenses change. Now let's explore different budgeting methods so you can find what fits your lifestyle. First method is the 50-30-20 rule. This method uses percentages to divide your income into 3 categories. The 50-30-20 rule is simple and beginner friendly. 50% of your income goes to your needs, housing, food, bills. You get the point. The things that help you survive on a day-to-day basis. 30% to wants, dining out, hobbies, and 20% to savings and debt repayments or investment, whatever suits your lifestyle or whatever you want to build on. It's perfect if you want a high-level overview of your spending without micromanaging every naira or dollar. Method 2 is zero-based budgeting. This one here is my favorite method of budgeting. With a zero-based budget, every naira or dollar you earn is assigned a job. So your income minus expenses equals 0. Not 0 in your account, but 0 left unplanned. This method is ideal if you want to maximize savings and track spending in detail. There is no room for any money lying around idle. When using this budgeting style or method, you need to factor in everything you use money for, provided you know exactly how much you spend on each item. Here's a tip. You can categorize them like you see on the screen and tweak it to your lifestyle. Method 3 is the envelope system. This one is old school but effective. You put cash into labeled envelopes for categories like groceries, transport, or fun. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending for that category. You can even do this digitally with some budgeting apps like PiggyVest. Method 4 is pay yourself first. With the pay yourself first method, saving becomes your top priority. Before paying bills or spending, you move a set amount to savings or investments. This builds wealth consistently and helps you treat saving like a non-negotiable bill. Method 5 is reverse budget. The reverse budget is all about goals first. You decide how much you want to save or invest, then build your budget around that. It's a great method for aggressive savers or anyone chasing a specific target like a house, emergency fund, or retirement. So, how do you choose the right budgeting style or know which one fits your lifestyle? There is no one size fits all here. Consider the season you're in with your life and money before making a decision on which budgeting style you want to adopt. It can change according to seasons too. If you love structure, you can try zero-based budgeting. If you're busy and want simplicity, the 50-30-20 rule might be better. And if you're a visual spender, try the envelope method. You can even combine them. For example, using pay yourself first with the 50-30-20 rule, or the reverse budget and zero-based budgets. Do what works best for you. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It's the tool that helps you build a life you're proud of. Pick a method, try it for 30 days, and adjust until it works for you. Comment below which of these budgeting methods will you try, or which one have you tried in the past and how did it work for you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, budgeting gives your money clarity and direction and gives you peace of mind.